Well, whenever you're ready, come down. There's supplies down there already. I'm gonna need a lot of aspirin after this. I think it was 2, honestly. Just need to chill out and mine. You found most of them. No, I think you found most of them. You're the diamond sniffer. Yes, it's a very long way. What? What happened? There's a zombie in here, and he is hitting me. Fix what? Yes. Kind of. Kind of. Okay, maybe it's here. Yeah, this is not lit up. Okay, so... yeah, all the water buckets are here. I took most of them. Okay. I know that there's a hole somewhere. Like a hole right there. I have no idea if there's a double, if it's like doubled up at any point. But I need to see if this works. So I'm gonna go up. Okay. Place all the water. If I could figure out how to do life. Alrighty then. What? Oh no. I think you missed my fail. You missed my fail. I need a sign. Thank you. Okay, so again. No, it's just I missed the one at head height. I guess. What's what? 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 Oh, that was where I was trying to find the zombies. Why do you spill out? Stop it. Oh my lord, have mercy. Well, I've not done this right at all. I've not done this right. Yeah, I've not done this right. This is what happens when I do this myself. It ends up being wrong. No. Oh. This might be... this only supposed to be 2? Why is it 3? Well, I need building blocks. Plus, there should be some in the chest. If not, we failed. We've lost. Go. I got Depth Strider 1. I should have put it on my boots, but then again, my boots are about to die. I didn't put it on anything. I left it in the chest. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's only supposed to be 2 high, and we lost, boys. That's why it wasn't work. It wasn't work. Okay. English, Brimey, English. So that'll go there. Give me some light. Goes right. So that would be 2. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4. Okay. Yep. Look. It's no. Oh, what? No. Aw, she left. Well, crap. Oh, well, there goes our computer. Hang on. Be right back, guys. And she's back. We're back. We're all good. We're all fine. And now it's gonna be a little bit dark. Oh, for a little bit. Or for a lot bit. I need stone. And I need to go back up. And I need to close this. There we go. Okay. And I have 4 buckets left. Hopefully that's enough. Oh, 5 buckets, excuse me. Back up. Okay. Torches. I'll just put one right there. They'll bounce up and over. Okay, so that, oh Lord have mercy. What? No! It's just I need to place the water now. No, we can't. No, Lord have mercy. Where was I supposed to place the water? Right there? Yeah, okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh. counting how many blocks I was getting rid of. Please do not tell me that this is underneath or next to the skeleton. You lost your pickaxe. You threw your iron pickaxe. And it came down here. I did get the ores when I was here patching up the hole that I had made, the double hole. Well, now I have to go down this way, and this is all cobblestone, so I know that I placed this. God frickin' Lord. I hate life. What are we gonna do? Move this chest over one more and add another hopper and put glass over that hopper. I don't think the stuff will phase through glass. And if it does, well then we're still noobs. But hey, we did a thing. Yeah. Oh Jesus, that was laggy. There was still like a skeleton in the back, and you kept on hitting him, and he wouldn't die. And then I walked forward, and both of them died. Let me. Ah, God frickin' Lord! I don't know, because I'm an idiot. Okay, let me go this way, and I will. Let me just stand right here and be like, yo. Or not, because now they're not moving. That was a stupid idea. Let me go over this way. Let me know how the spawn rates are. Zachy. I mean, Rainy. God damn it. Rainy. Uh-oh. Whew, that was 3. Hello? 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 Can you hear me? Oh, now you can. I did nothing. Okay, let me... You have the chest, don't you? Well, I have one. Move. We can still hear each other okay, right? Yeah. Oh, you meant there. Okay. Hello? 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 Yes, I can hear you now. Oh no! Oh no! Put the glass! There we go. Whew. Yeah, we need a comparator. Okay, so we can watch them go up and we can watch them spawn. No, it's just funny to watch them go up the water elevator. And know that it works. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Yes, I broke it. I broke it so badly. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, no, no. Oh no. Oh no, no. No, 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 no. I broke where the sign was at. I wasn't paying attention. Go in there and light up the spawner. Please. Oh god, I'm an idiot. I need a sign. That's Well, that was my bad. Oh my god, I heard that. That's disgusting. Your dog is nasty. Thank God you can place signs on glass. Ugh. Okay, you can get rid of the torches now. Yes, I fixed it. Ugh. Do it where there's no... Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Okay. Actually, wait till I'm done putting up the glass. Well, just saying. What are you getting hit by? Eat, woman, eat. Wait a minute. Yes, 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 I know, and we have to go around it. So I need to make it too wide. I'm gonna remove the torches. Trust me, I will. Oops. What chest? Go get it! None of them are gonna spawn. Yes, there is. Just... What? Rainy. It's food. It's not gonna go up. It's gonna stay right where it's at. Are you okay? Oh, Lord. Are you okay? Poor thing. Huh? Well, duh. Ah, you're right. Right. I got carried away. I'm sorry. And while I'm here, just block that up. Okay, that works. And that. Oh, but what if something spawns back here? We'll see it. We'll see it. And if anything happens, well, shame on us. I mean, look at it. They just go up. Okay, you can remove the torches. Just when you're removing the torches from the spawner itself, I was gonna say don't use a sword or a pickaxe, because it might break the spawner. Oh, I was about to say, why is it so bright? Cover it up. Cover it up. There you go. Okay. Actually, what's the light level in here? There is 0 light in here. Oh my god, we're gonna die. Yeah, we're gonna die if we're in here. Okay. I'm sorry. Sorry. Something? Yeah, they're spawning. But they're gonna see us and want to come after us, so we gotta stand over here. Well, when I was over here, maybe it's because they could see me through... Actually, we didn't have glass at the time. Oh, so it works perfectly now. Okay. We should put a door here. Let's put a door here. There's doors here. She wants to make it pretty looking, guys. She wants to make the skeleton spawner look pretty. I thought we had doors here! Well, that's fine. I know. I only needed one. There, I used 2. And I used all 3. Yeah, you'll see it. Go for it. She doesn't like my handiwork, guys. I just always think that the experience is gonna get stuck. I don't know. You know what I want to do? Bad idea, bad idea, bad idea, bad idea, bad idea! Bad idea. How do you not see that? I wanted to put glass so we could see them come down. Yeah, there you go. Oh my god, there's so many. And I picked up none of it. I love it. It gets confused, the experience. It gets confused as to where to go. If there's like two people near it, it's like, where do I go? Okay, let's split off into two. Okay. You hear any explosions, it's because a creeper spawned. You said, "Aww." Uh-huh. Sure, I didn't. Oops. Holy Jesus! Okay. Thank you for your contribution to society. I'm level 30! Well, not that quick. Guys, I was like at level, what, 8? When I came down here, and I'm now level 30? Come on now. Yeah, it takes forever if you're mining. Oh my god. They just don't know what's coming to them. You just hit them once and they're wrecked. Spawn more. Spawn more. Spawn faster. Yeah. So that needs to be edited out. A little bit, yeah. Or, you know, blurred. So there's that. Yeah, they'll just push each other into that hole. But yeah, I'm gonna end the recording. See you guys later.